Is today we discuss about combination of resistance, and you know very well that there is two types of combination of resistance. First, series combination. Second and last, parallel combination. What I said, first series combination, second and last parallel combination. It is first and it is number second. And I think we we should discuss about series combination. According to figure, it is most important topic for exam for CBSE boards. According figure, there is three resistance R1, R2 and R3, and for these resistance their potential are V1, V2 and V3. One important thing, in series combination currents are same. In series combination currents are same but potential are difference. And in parallel combination, this is the most important topic. In parallel combination, potentials are same but currents are difference. It is the important topic. What I say, in series combination currents are same but potential are difference. And in parallel combinations, potentials are same and currents are difference. Okay, let us, there is three resistances R1, R2, R3 and their potential V1, V2 and V3, and the currents I are flowing. Currents same. In this resistance I, and in this resistance I, and in also this resistance I. Okay, according the figure, there is, we can write, or there is three resistance R1, R2 and R3 and their potential each other V1, V2 and V3, and they are flowing same current I. Okay, if potentials V1, V2 and V3's final resistance, final potential is V, then we can write V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, according to Ohm law, Ohm said that V is equal to IR. Then I can take for V1, V is equal to IR1. Okay, let us take, excuse me, Ohm said that V is equal to IR. Then for V1 क्या हो जाएगा, for V1 IR1 नंबर थर्ड, for V2 IR2 नंबर फोर्थ, for V3 IR3 number fifth. There is for V1 V IR1, V2 IR2 and V3 IR3. There is same current flowing I, so we cannot write I1, I2, I3. Why? Because currents are same in series combination. Okay, next, adding equation थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ, जब हम इन तीनों को ऐड करेंगे देन वी गेट V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3 इक्वल टू क्या, IR1 प्लस IR2 प्लस IR3. It is number 6. Okay, from first and sixth. There is, it is 6 and it is first. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, and there is V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equal to I R1, I R2, I R3. So we can put in place of V1 plus V2 plus V3 is I R1, I R2 and I R3. Then I can do it. V is equal to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3, or V is equal to I, there is comma among I R1, I R2 and I R3, common I. When I get common I, then I can write it I V is equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3, and there is I is multiply. When it will be come this side, it will be divided. V by I is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And you know, according Ohm law, Ohm said that V is equal to IR, or I is equal to V by R. Then I can R is equal to V by I according to Ohm law. Then I can write R in place of V by I. What I said? I can write R in place of V by I. So we write R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. It is series combination. It is series combination. I think all of you will understand. Next topic, parallel combination. Just a second. I hope all of you will understand. In parallel combination, I said that potential is same and different, currents are different. So we draw the figure first. According to the figure, there are three resistance R1, R2 and R3 are adding or combining in parallel combination, and their currents for R1 is I1, for R2 is I2, for R3 is I3, and the potential is V. Okay. What I say according figure, there is three resistance R1, R2 and R3 are adding among in parallel combination PC, and having currents are I1, I2 and I3, and their potentials are V. I said before that in parallel combinations currents are different and potentials are same, and in series combination potentials are different and currents are same. It is the main topic of combination of resistance, and it is most important for your exam. I mean in numericals. In next video I send you numericals based on combination of resistance, and in series combination and in parallel combination there is many numericals based on resistance, but at this time you only see on this topic, and their potential is V. If main source of current between if main source of current between A and B is I, then I can write I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Why? Because there is three currents I1, I2 and I3, but their main source is I. Okay, so I can write it I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. According Ohm's law, Ohm Sahab said that V is equal to IR or I is equal to V by R. Okay, and their potential is same and resistance are differences R1, R2 and R3, or I can, it is number first and it is number second. I can write from number first. There is I is equal to for I1 V by R1, for I2 V by R2, for I3 V by R3, and there is one common point V. Among of these there is one common point V. So I can take common. I is equal to V common ले लेंगे 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. I can write it like this. Okay, there is one common V among these, V by R1, V by R2 and V by R3. When I take common V, when I take common V, then we get V into IR1, IR2, IR3, and there is V is multiply. In this side V is multiply. When it will be transfer, this side it will be divided. What? I by V is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, like this. And you know, according Ohm law, V is equal to IR. Okay, or V by I is equal to R. If we do reciprocal, then I get I by V is equal to 1 by R. It is when we do reciprocal, then we get I by V is equal to 1 by R. It is number second. It is number third. Okay, what I say Ohm Sahab said V is equal to IR, or V by I is equal to R, or we do reciprocal. When we do reciprocal, and I mean reciprocal means जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा, जो न्यूमरेटर वो डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा. ओके, तो क्या हो जाएगा जब इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो भी आई बाई भी इक्वल टू 1 बाई आर ऐसा हो जाएगा. ए नंबर थर्ड है और ए, तो व्हेन देन आई गेट आई बाई भी इक्वल टू 1 बाई आर फ्रॉम नंबर थर्ड. भी बाई आई के प्लेस पे 1 बाई आर हम पुटअप कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम नंबर थर्ड. ए भी आई बाई भी है, आई बाई भी के प्लेस पे 1 बाई आर हम पुटअप कर सकते हैं. जब पुटअप कर देंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, व्हाट आई गेट 1 बाई आर इक्वल टू 1 बाई R1 प्लस 1 बाई R2 प्लस 1 बाई R3. इट इज द पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. व्हाट आई गेट 1 बाई R इक्वल टू 1 बाई R1 प्लस 1 बाई R2 प्लस 1 बाई R3. It is the parallel combination. I think all of you understand my topics. Thanks. फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। आई थिंक आप लोगों को अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कीजिएगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। लॉट ऑफ थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू।